Berries are one of my favorite treats, so I'm seeing how our Washington farmers manage to grow the best there is. I'm here at Spooner Farms in lovely Puyallup, Washington, my hometown. This is Sam Spooner.
We grow strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, pumpkins, and corn.
Okay, so you're gonna show me around, right?
Yep.
First, Sam took me to my favorite spot, the raspberry fields. Well, Sam, tell me how many acres of berries you guys have?
So just down at this one farm right here, we have about 11 acres of raspberries just in this one area.
Just in this one area?
Yeah.
What variety are these raspberries?
So we got some Tulamine on my left, and then on my right we have some Malahat.
Oh, now what's the difference?
So it's just a time frame. Malahats are normally kind of an early. The Tulamine is more of a mid to late. We're kind of here at the end part of the season, so they're really good.
They're really sweet.
Yeah.
Whoa.
They're like little sugar bombs. Our main concern is flavor. A lot of times when you're getting stuff from Chile or even California, and they grow great stuff. But up here, we're growing for flavor. We're not growing for shelf life. We want to give you the best flavor experience. It looks like you found the private reserve down there.
They're really big.
Yeah.
And they get bigger than that.
Yeah, they get huge.
What are some of the challenges of being a berry farmer in Washington?
I think there's challenges in everything. For one, just trying to, find ground to either lease or purchase. Finding good plant stock. Labor is always the number one challenge in any kind of agriculture.
Yeah.
You can grow anything you want, but to get it planted or get it harvested is always the number one.
Yeah.
When you're a farmer, you have to do everything. That's what farmer means. You do everything.
Exactly.
You're the
That's the definition
salesperson,
of
you're on the
farmer.
tractor. It's hard, but at the end of the day, when you can produce a product like these Tulamine raspberries, it makes it worth it.
Spooner Farms has been around for a long time.
Yeah, we've been around here for a while. So we started off in 1882. 82,
Yeah, totally.
right?
Let's see.
1882?
1882.
That's right, 1882.
A long time. Sam explained that farming is all about adapting, and that's something that they do very well here. In the late 90s, they started a pumpkin patch and invited the public to come and pick their pumpkins. Today, that's grown into a month-long event, complete with a pumpkin slingshot, farm animals, face painting, a candy store, a playtown for kids, and a corn maze. So is this your corn maze?
Yeah.
I think I could find my way out of that.
Maybe. Give it another month here, and we'll see.
I love that the spaceship has landed in your field.
Yeah.
This is just crazy in the fall.
That's just crazy. This line to get in this maze will be from there all the way to the office where we came in. Yeah.
Wow.
It gets nuts. Our
next stop is their main farm stand, where you can buy their fresh berries daily during the summer months. So this is where people can buy your berries.
Yep. So this is where we retail all our berries.
Here we go.
And today we have blueberries, and we have some Catawba blackberries. And then we also have some raspberries. And I don't think enough people know how good of produce we grow here. Whether it's Fred Meyer or any place, just check and see where your berries are coming from. I think that's the most important thing. And two, just to support your local farmers. They're out there working 90 hours a week to give us a superior product. Sometimes it might cost a little more, but I definitely think the extra cost is definitely gonna be worth it.
The taste is so great when you find that in-season berry that is from your local farmer. You can't beat it.